Many netizens are curious about how I shoot these videos. Do I have a team following me every day? Alright, I'll tell you today. This is what I usually use to film. A 360 camera, a front camera, and then this mount. It's magnetic, see? It sticks anywhere on the truck body, as long as it's metal. Sticks right on, see? And then here, there's another mount. This can hold the camera here or a phone. Just place it in front. One section is enough. And then this and this mount. This one can extend up to about 1.8 meters, I think. It can rotate. And this, the microphone. The microphone is here. When it's noisy, I wear it. When it's quiet, I don't need to. That's all the filming gear. Oh, right, and a phone, the one I'm filming with now. This phone, what team will want me? That'd be great. I'd pack up this big truck, Laifu, Laixi, and myself, and sell the whole package to them. This should be thawed. Not yet. Thawing this is a bit tricky. Laixi, what you see? It's melting. We'll just take our time. No loading tonight anyway. Nothing else. After eating, we'll head to Ani, over 30 kilometers. Sleep at the factory gate to load cargo tomorrow morning. The water should be mostly pumped out. Ah, they're so patient, sleeping right there waiting. Let's scare Laifu. Hey, ha ha ha. Didn't scare him. Oh, I did. Sorry. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Ah, that's about it. Pour this water out. The rice is almost done too. Wash the pot. Into the pot it goes. Add some ginger, some salt, pour water, and start boiling. Should be about done. Not sure if it's cooked. Seems like there's not enough broth. Add a bit more water. Test if it's cooked. It's done. Tasty. Let me get a bowl first. Hey, that's all there is. Whoa, lots of steam. Let me dish out all their food first. Oops, cooked too much, can't finish. We'll eat it tomorrow. Leave it here to cool. You guys get the bones. Ah, the meat stewed really well today. Want more? Wait a bit, eat after it cools down. You guys, how Laixi, have a bone. Alright, I'm done. Here, let me scatter the food for you first. I'll pick out the ginger for you. No wonder the soup tastes so good today. There's a lot of ginger to remove the fishy smell. Does the soup seem a bit less? No, it's plenty. I think it's about time. Let me clear all this mess. Pots, pans, and dishes, I'll clean them all up. The super long version of Laifu and Laixi's mealtime is about to begin. I wonder if everyone will like it. Why are you looking at me? I've already eaten. Ah, you guys eat. Go ahead, eat. Are you eating or not? Ah, I've eaten. You go eat. I've already eaten, you know. What kind of move is this? Eat here, eat. Yes. Eat right away. Hey, you swallowed it. You can't swallow it. You can only chew. How can you swallow it like that? You take a bite. Yes, you need to chew like this. Oh my Laixi, you eat the bone. No, that's too rough. Look how gentle Laifu is. We haven't had bones or meat these past few days. It's all been porridge. Wow, you're swallowing it all. That's too dangerous. It's really dangerous if you swallow it. How did you swallow it, Laixi? Hmm. We haven't had no bones, no meat these past few days. It's really pitiful to see. I just haven't had time to make it. If I had time, I make you some every day. Bones. Don't swallow, you have to chew. I should have given you the food first and hidden the bones. Look how gentle Laifu is. Laixi, don't swallow. It's very dangerous if you swallow it. You have to slowly chew. Yes, just like that, chew slowly. Yes, that's it. That's the way. Look how gentle Laifu is. Laifu is more gentle. Yes, Laixi, that's how you chew, don't swallow. Yes, you learn quickly. You even know how to eat now, Laixi. I wonder how you'll handle those bones in your stomach. You swallow them. I guess your stomach acid can probably dissolve them. Fudge, you haven't even finished one bone yet. Lucky has eaten 5 or 6 already. You just eat the leftover crumbs. Eat. Fudge eat. Should have given you the rice first, then the bones. Hide the meaty bones. I'll give them to you after you finish your meal. Yes, eat. Fudge is so good. Eat. Yes, 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 yes. No, you're not eating. Fudge eat. Come here and eat. Ah, yes, eat. Lucky eat. Come here. Not eating. I'm going ugh. You're not eating, Fudge? Lucky. You're not eating this either? You're not eating either? Fine, don't eat. I'll put in your doghouse. You can eat later when you're hungry. Ah, you finished? You're full? Come down and play. Down, 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 down. Play freely. Go crazy. There are no cars here. Go play Fudge. Go with Lucky into the grass over there. Don't be afraid. I won't turn off this light. Don't be afraid. Fudge, don't be afraid. Yeah, play freely. Come here, a kiss. A kiss for you. Free kiss. Really got a kiss. We're in Ani, Jiangxi right now. Loading cargo to go to Chongyang, Xining, Hubei. After unloading in Chongyang, Xining, we can go home. Letting them out to play for a bit now. Fudge, Lucky. Lucky Fudge, oh. Ouch, 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 ouch. You guys didn't finish your food again last night. Didn't finish it. Hando. So good, you came down to pee? Oh, huh. Okay, down, 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 There's a truck in front of me. I'll load after this one finishes. Lucky. Lucky, come here, come here. Hee, ouch. Sniffing what? This is your truck. This is your family's truck. Nearsighted, haha. Fudge, do you want to jump up again? Good. Lucky, show him how to jump. Lucky up. Ouch. Lucky, you've got some skills now, huh? You can jump up. What's that expression? Hee hee. Ah, Laixi is the best. Lucky, Lucky, come here too, Lucky. Hey, hey, I want to pet Lucky. You're blocking my hand. Let's race. Hurry up. Oh. Hey, get down. You guys just play in the car for a bit. I'm going to see how his truck is being loaded. Once it's done loading, it's our turn to load. We'll be able to head home soon. Just a little pinch on the mouth. Don't be such a grump. A little pinch on the mouth. Look at the little grump. Okay, get down then. I need to load the cargo. You get down too. Hurry up, hey. Get down. Oh. Hey, Laixi, what do you want to say, huh? Lucky, Laixi, what do you want to say? Do you know? What do you want to say? Hurry up and say it. Oh, Lucky. Ooh, gotcha. Laixi loves pawing at things with his hands for no reason. And those hands aren't washed every day. Hee hee. Come here, give a kiss. A kiss for you. A free kiss. You really can get a kiss. You guys get down. Get in. I need to load the cargo. Come on, get down and get in. Get in. Lucky, you get down. Hurry up. Get down. Can you be a little braver? I'm going to load the cargo. Lucky. Laixi. All right, I've thrown the tarp up there too. Today we're covering it with this small tarp. Oh, that's good. Cover it with this tarp. Pull it down a bit over here. No good. It's raining harder outside. Still need to cover it with this kind of heavy-duty tarp. Need to take it all down again. Still covering it with this heavy-duty tarp. This small tarp will pull it off. The tarps are all secured, ready to set off. We can reach Chongyang, Hubei tonight. This rain has been going all afternoon, hasn't stopped. It's 4:30 in the afternoon now. Later, we'll find a good place to park and see if there's any food to eat. Lucky Laixi. Whoa. You guys get down and take a pee. Take a pee, I'm gonna get some food. Oh, whoa. It's been raining non-stop outside. Going down to pee. Finished peeing. Not quite done, huh? Got everything wet outside. Yeah, the rain just won't let up. Oh, you didn't even touch the food inside. I'll make you a lean meat soup. Mix it with the rice. Sound good, Laixi? First, take the meat out of the fridge to thaw. These are the meat slices thawing. Add some ginger. Add some chicken bouillon. Actually, forget it. It'll thaw faster in there. You're here too, Laixi. Almost ready. Just a moment. It'll be done soon. Let's skim off this foam. Skim it off, and the soup will look much nicer. Now crack 2 eggs in. Oh, eggs. Egg and lean meat soup. Done. It's probably cold by now. The rice they didn't finish. Laifu must be hungry, right? Laixi, how did you get up there? Come down. Come down, it's time to eat. It's cold. Eat now, right away. Why aren't you eating? Too much soup? Laifu's not eating either. Is a bit too much soup again? Let me pour a little more. Eat. Why aren't you eating? Eat. Yes, there's meat. You're still not eating? Eat right now. Thought you weren't hungry. Lean meat, egg, and rice. Laixi. Wait, hold still. Hold still. Got it in your eye. It went in your eye. Hey, wait a second. Thought you weren't hungry. Still loves soup over rice. Laifu's not eating again. Laixi, finish it and lick the bowl clean. Laixi, eat. What do you smell? Huh? What do you smell? Hey. There's a little left, just a bit. Finish it. Finish this last bit. Be good. Eat it all. Finish this bit. Good boy, Laixi. Yes, eat. What do you smell? What do you smell, Laixi? Come here, let me feed you. Come on, eat it up. Good boy, she lick it clean. You're making me a little nervous here. Fine, if you don't want it, whatever. Let's go. You got me kind of spooked staying here. It's in. Let's go, let's get moving. You scared me.